Yo, what's up, everybody? So took a while to get here, and that's just because the holidays kind of postponed the delivery. So here it is. We got an unboxing here. So we're gonna go ahead and slice the tape. It's not even blown, it's already deflated. And here we have it right here, the LG K30. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this. Yeah, so let's take a second here, just kind of look. So specifications, 5.3 HD touchscreen display, 3000 milliamp hour battery, 13 megapixel main camera, and then a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Fingerprint sensor, 32 gigs of internal storage with 2 gigabytes of RAM. And it's 4G LTE with 2x20 carrier aggregation and HPUE. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. We'll take the phone out here and then we'll give it its first boot. Alright, so I know camera quality is not that good. I'm actually filming with my Chromebook. And I guess 2 for 1 because I got another Honor 8 here that I'm going to be opening up. So anyways, yeah, I had to get another Honor 8. I really dig this device. Anyway, so I got everything transferred over. So all we gotta do now is just give it its first boot and just kind of, yeah. There we go. And there it is. So what you get is micro USB, standard wall brick adapter. And let's see if this one's going to be... Nope, pretty easy to get out. Wow. So here's the phone itself. Doesn't look too bad at all. You get a SIM ejector tool. Little security tag. And your important information, get started guide, nothing else in the box. I may swing by Best Buy and get a different SD card. So let's see. Phone actually feels pretty good in the hand. Speaker in the back, not a big deal. Volume rockers on this side. Looks like your fingerprint sensor is also your power button. And micro USB and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack at the bottom. And in case those who know are wondering, no, my face isn't better. It's still, I don't know what I'm going to open this one for. Keep key rings of like SIM tool ejectors, because you never know when you'll need one. So let me just pop a SIM card in here. So when I boot this thing up, finish setting it up and getting it ready to go. And thankfully, LG, you guys are smart. I don't like where they have the SD card and SIM card side by side. Don't mind leaf blowers right now. It's always annoying to try to put it in. So it's a good thing that it's not side by side. So I hate it when it's like that wide. You try to fit it in the slot. It's just annoying. So anyways, let's give it its first boot. So here we go. Does it have any juice? Yep, it does. There it goes. Took a while though. Took a lot longer than usual. Anyhow, while this is booting up, let's just, for shits and giggles, open up this Honor 8. Wow, they really wrapped this thing pretty good. Come on. There we go. Trash basket. That's good. Alright, here we go. Same color that I got it in last time. I like that blue color. Sweet. Oh, okay. I was like, where's the charger stuff? I forgot. Charger and everything should be here. There we go. Still, it's original plastic, so that's cool. And USB Type-C, obviously. No, well, I guess the other side is the instruction manuals and stuff. Okay. We don't need instruction booklets. This is not a brand new device. So, for now. Alright, let's boot this up. K30 still going here, so let's turn this on. It's got a charge. Wonder if it needs to be charged. This is probably one of my favorite devices. I love the build quality on it, and of course the color is pretty cool.
TalkBack is a navigation feature for the visually challenged and impaired. To turn TalkBack on or off,
And everything is good to go on this.
more than 3 seconds.
And I just put it on airplane mode because there's no SIM card in it.
Features, tap accessibility settings. To continue
And yeah,
activation,
it's good to go.
next.
Alright, so let's start getting this all set up here. On a quick mention, while setting up the LG K30 here, this is one of the things that I like about Android now. The fact that the backup is a lot more simplified now. And this is, I've been waiting for Google to do this for quite some time, so and I can actually pick and choose which apps do I want to be brought over. So that way I'm not putting in a lot of applications that I really don't need. So this is pretty sweet. I dig this. That looks about good. So yeah, shows SMS. So you got like SMS, call history, contacts, and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and restore. And boom, restoring. So while that's restoring, I go ahead and set up my fingerprint here. And yeah, so I'll be back when I have all this pretty much like set up. Alright, so I'm done setting up the LG K30. There's a couple of things about it that I like. A couple of things about it that I'm going to be a little bit wary about. Okay, so one, I don't like that the power button is on the back. Yes, it's a fingerprint reader, but it also doubles up as a power button, and it feels flimsy. Okay, just by touching it, it just feels like it wiggles too much, like it's loose. So I don't like that. So far, I mean, it's okay. The audio seems a bit loud. Let me do this for you guys. I know people love this part. So there it is. Screen protector off. Set it here for now. Anyhow, other than that, I'm gonna play around with it a little bit. And see how I like it. But so far, I gotta say, screen size and build size, it's nice. Okay. Let me get out my Style 4, wherever it's at. That's right here. Alright, so you guys can definitely see the size difference. Or I can just take it out the case. That would help. All right, so body size, right? Of course, the back. Non-removable battery. I'd say that weird because my God, this sucks. Making videos is gonna suck for me for the next couple of weeks. Yeah, it doesn't feel too bad at all. So, kind of happy about that. I'm gonna run it through its paces and just kind of see how well it does, battery life and all that stuff. And I'll give definitely an in-depth review later on. So we'll see how that works out. Yeah, definitely we'll see how that works out. So, anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for now. If you guys enjoyed this quick, I guess double unboxing, I unboxed 2 phones. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a like to let me know. Really, really appreciate that. And yeah, some comparisons later on, comparing it to the G6 Play and all those phones that I have. I'll definitely be doing that. If you're wondering what version of Android this is running, it's actually running 8.1.0 Oreo. So I just recently checked it out just to make sure to see what it was. And there we go, 8.1.0 Oreo. So we're good on that. God, that's so hard to talk. And it has the August 1st, 2018 security patch. So it hasn't got the October one yet. It might come later. Who knows? But until then, that's pretty much it for this video. It does support multi-window. I just showed you right now. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Again, sorry that I can't talk straight. Face paralysis sucks really bad. Let me tell you guys that. I might do a video talking about Bell's palsy and face paralysis just to kind of educate people. If you guys are interested, I might do that. I might do that on Instagram or something. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. All I know is that I got some testing to do with this phone, and then yeah, I'll let you guys know my thoughts and opinions about it in the next couple of weeks. So, all right, later.